Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 27th of March 2014 market review. As you can see, the Dow Jones, S&P, the Nasdaq, that's US market indexes, closed a bit negative on Wednesday evening due to the Russia and Ukraine news that's making a lot of investors uneasy at this time. The Dow closed 98 points negative on a level of 16,268 points. Let's go and look at that chart quickly. As you can see, the blue line is the index price of the Dow Jones. It did pick up a bit. It's still trading between the green and this red line. Green line will be the support, the bottom. Red line will be the high or resistance. Still trading with unease, as you can see. We need to see if any breakups or breakdowns will happen in the short term. But this green and red line is getting very close to each other, so we need to track this very closely in the next few days. Going back to the newsletter, shares to watch. Truworths, the share did have a big beating in October to November last year. It did come down. That's the blue line now. Please look at line A here. Line A will be 71.99. There could be a possibility for the share to go further up in this small channel, as revealed in the other videos the last 4 to 5 weeks. There could be a buying opportunity as long as the shares stay above 75 Rand or this line here. For the share to go higher, 75.25, 75.71, next high is 80.45. Just around this levels here on the previous highs if the share can go higher. Should the share come down physically, this lows here will be about 69.48. So keep a close eye on this share in the retail department. Pinnacle did get a big hiding the last few days in the markets due to news coming out due to the director that did a bit of bribery. The share did react to it and it actually fell a lot. As you can see on the chart, that's the blue line. This is the news that came out regards to the share. Currently, regards to the newsletter, this line A will be a big support or important level to watch. Line A will be 11.55. The newsletter is actually saying, let's keep an eye on this. Let's see if there couldn't be any upward movement or swings happening very soon. So if you want to get into it, look at it. Next high is 11.62 and the share is currently trading here at almost 11.45 at this moment. As you can see, next high is 11.62, 11.75, next high is 12.16. If it doesn't want to continue breaking up from this red line, please use a stop loss level of 10.63. Let's go and look at the index first of the J200 or the top 40 shares. As you can see, there's the red lines we spoke about. Currently, I'm going to draw this green line up now. Some positive movement did happen on the share. A bit of breakup as expected from the previous newsletters. And the next high in this channel could be going back to 43,318. But due to Americans that was down, we could expect today to get a bit of downward cycle in this market. After yesterday's big run as well, we could expect this index to come a bit down, but please keep an eye on 42,500 and a level of 42,000. Let's see how this one could play out physically in the short term. Here's a better view of this index. So if it breaks this green line 42,500 downwards again, we could expect this one to bounce back to the 42,000 in the short term. Let's go and look at the other retail shares. Here's Shoprite. Beautiful, testing this 89-day moving average. That's the green line now. The red line. That's the 89-day moving average. Share is still going positive in a positive channel. I'm just going to extend this channel line quickly here for you so you can actually see where the share is currently trading from. So the current support here is about 150. Trading at 153 at this moment. If it can break this 150 plus minus this level, it could go down, and that's also confirmed with this green line. That's the 21 days. At any time, if it breaks this now, we could see a bit of downward cycling happening in the share, or downward action. Looking at the channel going upwards, beautiful channel going upwards as explained. Next high of expectation here, looking at this indicators, if it trades above this red line, next high about 156, 157, but it's currently trading at 153. Please keep a close eye on this one if you're in it. Take note, 150 could be your current exit level or support level. If it's broken, share could go down physically. Next one's Woolies, also did very well in the last few days. From February, upward channel, currently testing the 72.58 levels at this moment, still in the positive channel. As you can see, this green and red line, that's the 21 days, 89 days, is very close to cross. If this cross, the share could run further upwards, definitely above the 75 rand levels. Currently trading at 72.20, 72.27. So my next high is 72.58. And it could most probably go just to the 75 rand levels, but with this expectation of this market currently most probably to come down today, we could see a bit of relief happening here, but the share is still going more up than down, more up than down. Keep a close eye on this. Next one is Mr. Price. Mr. Price is currently struggling at this moment. It went up in this channel, broke the red line downwards. Now you can basically see a bit of a sideways movement here. This is the high, this is the current low. The current low is about 145, the current high is about 155. The share is trading at 152.23, so we need to see if this at any stage breaks this green or red line downwards, it could come back to the 142 levels. Otherwise, keep a close eye for the small rally to happen, to go further upwards. Through it, as we explained in the newsletter, share still sideways channel, broke up through the 75 rand. Big question is if this one could break further upwards. Here's the 80 rand levels. So keep a close eye on this one with this nice breakup that happened. DSI, that's Discovery, still in the sideways channel, struggling to break the 79.50 to 80 rand at this moment, but still a lot of sideways movement happening. BGA, Barclays, awesome share this time. It went almost to the 151 yesterday, currently closed at 150.26, still in the positive channel going upwards. Nice breakup. Look at this green line crossing the red. Beautiful, that's the 21.89. Now the 21 days wants to cross the 200. If this happens, we could have seen a bigger upward rally, but let's see what today's market could do this with this share with a bit of relief happening here. Maybe getting into it later stage for better prices or cheaper prices in the short term. Capitec, after yesterday's results, look at this channel again. Bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. This share actually jumped up yesterday from about 183 levels back to the 191 levels. Nice jump up. Let's see how this can continue. Now today, very important, is the MPC meeting at 3 o'clock, our Reserve Bank meeting about our interest rates. Everybody will keep a close eye on this. Here from 3 o'clock to 3:30 this afternoon, we will get better indication, and this could impact these kind of shares in the short term. Please take note of it. MTN, nice breakup. Look at this bottom channel here. Look at the top channel. Came down, broke up, struggling now to break these highs here. Take note that any time if this share comes down and it breaks this 210 level, currently trading at 214, you could most probably see a basic downward channel on this share as well. But the only thing that's pushing this one up is the ICASA information about the competition board. That is a bit positive for MTN at this moment. The same with Vodacom. As you can see, the ICASA had the competition board had a big impact on these shares, testing this 150s at this moment. I'm going to extend this bottom channel at this moment here, just to give you better direction what to look for if this share wants to actually come down, or what levels you need to go and look at most probably. I'm going to call up a small Fibonacci here. There's no downward channel there, but I'm going to use one of the previous levels, plus minus from year to year. Look at this. if the share wants to go up, it could go to this high here. Currently, this 130 is a very important level. 132, 133 to about 133 on the top here. So let's see, keep a close eye at any time if this share wants to physically come down. You most probably going to look at 127, 127.50 in the short term, but let's keep a close eye on this one. And IPL. Imperial, there's the breakup that was expected going to this high of 172.50. Now traders, be very important. The share needs to break these highs to go back to this 182 levels. Needs to break this 172, 173 levels if it wants to go to this 182 levels. Keep a close eye. Sideways pattern near this moment. There was the big fall that happened, but keep it track it with course. Bidvest also very high this moment. Came a bit down. As you can see, the share goes more up than down. Possibility, if it breaks at any time this green line here, that will be a change of direction that could cause the share to fall further on. Otherwise, enjoy your day further on, and happy trading.